Instead of commiserating over their hard luck, the two unemployed actors sat side by side, staring off into space and showing no sympathy or understanding for each other's problems. Does commiserating mean arguing, cooperating, lying, or feeling sorry? This sentence uses a contrast clue. Our signal words here are the words instead of, indicating to us that whatever these two actors are doing is the opposite of commiserating. In this case, the actors are staring off into space, showing no sympathy or understanding for each other's problems. If this is the opposite of commiserating, we can understand commiserating must mean to sympathize or feel for someone. Let's take a look at our choices and pick which one best matches our definition. Arguing doesn't fit with our definition or our sentence, so we can mark it off. Cooperating means working together, which isn't quite what we're looking for, but we're going to keep it just in case for now. Lying, again, doesn't suit our definition or our sentence, but D, feeling sorry, fits perfectly with both, so we can mark it as correct and cooperating as wrong.